If your partner snores or you snore, stop scrolling for 2 seconds. I'm serious. Snoring isn't just annoying, it's wrecking your sleep, it's wrecking your health. Let's be honest, it's wrecking your relationship. I'm the founder of Hostage Tape, the largest mouth tape brand in the world, and it actually works. I went from snoring like a dying animal to zero noise. I sleep 10x better. My wife, she sleeps in the same bed with me now. So yeah, stop snoring, start sleeping, and stay married. Get yourself some Hostage Tape. Your partner will thank me.